general science. The process of decomposition of higher hydrocarbons of petroleum fractions. Listen to the question. The process of decomposition of higher hydrocarbons of petroleum fractions into lower boiling hydrocarbons by strongly heating in the absence of A is called, what is it called?
Osmosis.
No, the answer is cracking. Cracking. So I give that to myself, my very self. What does Newton's first law say?
Newton's first law states that the temperature of a body remains constant.
All right, let me help you. Newton's first law of motion states that a body tends to remain in a constant or in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an outside force. All right, the ability to do work is termed
Energy.
energy. Enable 1 point. What is the full meaning of RNA? RNA.
Ribonucleic acid.
Again,
Ribonucleic acid.
ribonucleic acid. 1 point. Okay, listen to the question. The phenomenon of scattering of light by colloidal particles as a result of which the part of the beam becomes visible is known as, no? Scattering of light by colloidal particles as a result of which the part of the beam becomes visible. You now see it.
Diffraction.
No? It is an effect. So what's the name of that effect? All right, the answer is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. Molecules. Molecules are of two types. Name one type of molecule.
Petroleum.
It's either they look alike or they don't look alike. That's a hint.
Metal and non-metal.
No? All right, the answer is homoatomic or heteroatomic. That's why I say either they look alike or they don't. That's the answer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this particular question will determine the winner of this competition. The new substances produced in a reaction are called,
Chemical reaction.
no,